Hey guys, I am back with another helpful video. So, today we are discussing about YouTube channel verification, because it's important to everyone who's starting a new YouTube channel, and also discuss channel verification benefits. So let's go. For channel verification, log into YouTube and click your channel icon in the top right. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click Setting on left corner. Then click Channel option. After that you can see the three options. Click Feature Eligibility. Then click Phone Verified option. Specify your country location, choose a verification method, call or verification code. Enter your mobile number. I will go with verification code. Then click Next. Enter your verification code and then click Submit. So that's it. Your channel now verified. Now we talk benefits of verification. After verification, the ability to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes long. The ability to appeal copyright claims. The ability to use custom thumbnails. And also, live stream option available after your channel verified. So that's all about channel verification. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Stay safe and stay healthy. Love you all.